Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to talk about dropshipping. Okay, so dropshipping is one of the most popular thing among anybody that wants to do online business. So as soon as you're going to make money online, dropshipping is the first option. And a lot of people or a lot of newbie go into dropshipping because thinking it is the easiest way to make money and the cheapest, mainly the cheapest. So let's just examine this. Is this actually cheap or is free? So most people will go into dropshipping thinking they only need $50, $100. Most people maybe a youngster who don't have that much money and they hear that, in dropshipping, all you have to do is find the winning product and then get the money from the customer and then get the Chinese person to deliver and you make money. That's it. That's how easy it is. And unfortunately, most of these dropshippers, they sell courses. And I have nothing against selling courses. It's okay, you can sell courses, but just give the right information. It's not nice to tell people it's so easy and they can just make money and then they're going to do is just buy a course, they do, and then they end up not making any money. So let's see how cheap is that business. So the first thing you need to do is you need your website, your Shopify store, which you need to pay a monthly fee. And then there will be a lot of plugins that you need to buy and apps for your store. And if you're not that great with website development, and I'm telling you, Shopify has templates, it's easy, you can do it. But if you're not technical savvy, you will need to hire somebody to do it beautifully. And I'm telling you, I'm not a technical savvy and I can't do templates. And I tried with Shopify with myself, the website was ugly. So you will end up paying somebody to do that website for you. So we're talking about money here, yeah? Money, 3 steps money. And then the final thing, you need to market it. Let's say in Amazon, you have a product, you need to market it to reach customers. In dropshipping, you actually to market even more because you don't have no customers. You have to bring the customer interested in your business. So you have to pay money upfront before you can get any sales. So all that is not very clear in the head of the newbie. They think it's just so cheap, $100, $200 max I need to make that business work and I'll be millionaire. And unfortunately to say that, with all due respect for dropshipping, I don't think it's a business. And if somebody says to me, I'm making millions out of dropshipping, with all due respect, I don't think this is a proper business. Maybe it's a way for you to make money, but once you have a money, why would you do that? It's basically triangle thing. Why don't you just private label it? If you are so good at marketing, bring it from China, bring it from anywhere, private market it and sell it yourself. Why do you need to go through all the steps? And then the customer has to wait how many weeks for the product to get shipped to them? Why would you do that? I would understand if somebody don't have money to start with this concept. If we think the concept is very cheap, then they can do it until they get a bit of money and then they would definitely go private label. I wouldn't go through that route because the margins will be much, much bigger for me doing it that way if I buy in bulk. So because of that, I don't think it's a business. But what I wanted to emphasize in here is dropshipping is not easy and it's not cheap. If anybody thinks that, trust me, you will be surprised. And I'm telling you from experience because I used to be in your place years ago. Before I started Amazon, I was like that. I would watch videos and I get so excited and hyped up about anything. Not dropshipping. Dropshipping never excited me. But anything, merch by Amazon, Kindle, this, that. And everybody makes it so easy. Oh, look how many thousands I made in 2 days. And you think you can do the same. But have a reality check. It's not going to happen. Nothing is easy worth having. You have to remember that. If it's too easy, that means it's not worth having. So it's not going to be easy. Nothing is going to be easy. And I'm not saying leave everything and just go to Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is not easy. I've never said it's easy and I'm never going to say it's cheap. It's actually not cheap at all. So what's a better alternative for somebody who doesn't have money? I would say do freelancer. Learn a skill and offer that skill and sell your services until you make money. That's the best way to actually make money instead of wasting your time on all these things that they're not going to make you money. They'll make the guru money, but they won't make you any money. That's everything for this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share.